Hello everyone, so today we will try to fix some issues. I really don't like the color of the base of the platform, so I'll change to white, and I'll probably try to select some of these areas. To fill the gap between the platforms, which I saw here, the gap between these two platforms. Okay, so the white color's pretty good, but maybe we can go to the gray one, as white we won't see our reflections, so I will go to the mid gray. Awesome. And let's try to do fast render. Okay, so it's looking pretty decent, and yeah, we have a problems with the visibility of his letters. So okay, let's try to do red, probably red color. One. Okay, so we will have something. No, I don't like. Okay, so we can do another thing. Let's try like only front faces and assign to them red material, and for the rest I will leave it as metal material. Assign new material. So let's go with a blend. It will be Christmas. Okay, that's nice. Christmas too. And let's assign this one, red one. Okay, so 0.01. Great. And I like this reflections. Definitely it's a fun taste, so I like it, but won't be very good to be honest in our scenario. So maybe something like this. Yeah, something like this, it will be much better in our situation. At least I hope so. Great, so now the Christmas visible. Great, so let's enable everything and check this out how it will look. And yeah, I don't like that this ledge still looking into us. Definitely from this side probably it will look good, but there is a big but. I don't like from this angle too. Okay, so probably I will pause a bit and we'll try to pivot this ledge.